Hey guys, Big D here. Liam's working the camera. As we promised on Monday, we are now heading out to our little secret spot to do our testing of our low buck mods to see if we have gained any power at all. We went back through our previous video to write everything down on paper so we have something to compare with, and while we were doing so, we managed to find out that the first 0 to 60 we did in that video was actually a full second faster than the 0 to 60 that popped up when we were doing our quarter-mile pass. So that's a little strange. We went back and we rewound it and watched it again, thinking, okay, maybe we were on an incline and didn't realize it or something, but no. Both roads were flat as can be, so it's kind of puzzling on how two different runs, the 8th mile, ended up being a full second slower in the second pass. But yeah, so we're heading out there, and once we get out there, we will come back to you. So we will see you in just a second. All right, guys, we're at the spot. We're getting ready to do our first pass run to see if our cheap low buck mods have done anything for us. So with that being said, here goes the first pass. Okay.
18.5, that's a half a second.
How do I turn on the windshield wipers? Okay, so with our low buck mods, we have gained a half a second in the quarter. And
same in the 8th. Actually, more in the 8th. Our good high end.
Yeah, the low end's not quite there. It's the high end where the power's coming in, which is normal for a cold air intake and basically a catback system. Let's see, our 0 to 60 was 11.5. Not sure what our previous was. Liam has it written down.
As 12.1.
12.1.
Same range. Because our other pass was 11 something. Can't read it from up. I can't read it right now.
11 something in the 8th.
And the 0 to 60. There was also another 11 something. So a high 11, low 12, and then we just did what? 0 to 60 and 11.5, yeah.
Yeah, so...
Alright, now we're going to move on to one person.
Yeah, we're going to do solo runs now. Liam's going to do the first, and then I'm going to do the second.
And we'll be back when we get set up.
Yep. Okay, guys, we are back. Liam is getting ready to do his solo pass. I'm an 1/8 mile down from where he's starting, so I will literally be at the halfway point. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. He's doing his 1/4 mile solo pass. Okay. And that was his solo run. Okay. He should be able to give us results on the quick. Okay. Results on the quick.
Okay.
Your solo
0 to
run.
60, 10.5.
Okay.
And 1/4 mile, 17.8.
Okay.
1/8, 11.6.
Okay.
Yeah.
About a second.
Yeah, about a second.
Okay. All right, guys. Now I'm going to go do mine, and Liam's going to record it. This will be the last pass.
Car's coming. I don't want them to see me. Alright, they didn't hit their brakes, so I don't think they saw me. And here comes Big D. Alright, let's get in. Get my seatbelt on.
Okay, guys. So, well, I started moving
Sorry for
again, so I don't know if Liam can go back to the previous screen or not.
There should be a... Yep.
But we did a 17.5 in the 1/4.
Okay.
We shaved off 2 full seconds, 1 second with the low buck mods, and I shaved off another second by manually shifting the transmission instead of just doing it in drive. So basically, I was almost on rev limiter with each shift. I didn't want to bounce it off the rev limiter, but I was pretty damn close. And so it gained us a whole full second shaved off. So the mods definitely worked. So yeah, we have proven to you guys that low buck mods are worth doing. We didn't think that we would really see that big of an increase. I thought maybe like a half a second difference, but a full second is pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So just for a low buck cold air intake off of Amazon, and we made our own intake box, and we did our own custom exhaust, and just those mods gained us a full second in the 1/4. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the other percentages, like the 0 to 60 and the 1/8, are pretty much right around the same as they were. Low end wise, we were pretty much about the same.
Yeah.
All across the board.
When we got into the high end is when the engine started waking up.
Yeah, so these low buck mods have done more for the car in the top end, not so much in the bottom end. But yeah, we gained some power. So that's pretty damn impressive. So that's going to probably be it for today's video, guys. Yeah, this has been a really good result video. We will see you guys this Saturday on our live stream on Twitch. Don't miss it, guys. All of our links to our other social medias, including Twitch, are in our description box below. So feel free to check those out. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love it if you do so. Hit that like button. Hit the bell over in the corner so you get first alerts every time we post a new video. And yeah, I'm Big D. He's Liam. And this has been another episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. And we're out.